runway 35 left. I'm in your SID fly heading 360.
Live runway 35 left on departure, rate heading 360, Arctic 1420.
Here. And Summit 8101, if we're not too late, maybe make the exit uniform there if you're able, and ground 1219 on uniform.
Yeah, we can make uniform for Summit 8101.
Yep. Arctic 1420, report the turn, my frequency, wind is 360 at 8, cleared for takeoff, runway 35 left.
You'll call you in the turn, takeoff 35. Tower Encore 3182 is with you on the visual, left.
Encore 3182, tower number 1 now, the wind is 010 at 10, plan Charlie 4, landing clearance about 3 final.
Check Charlie 4 and 35 left Encore.
Arctic 1761, exit Charlie 1 or uniform, just hold short of Charlie, contact ground 1219.
Hey, Charlie 1, we'll put the Charlie.
Encore 3182, plan Charlie 4, wind is 010 at 10, clear the land, runway 35 left.
Charlie 4 for the exit, clear to land 35 left on Encore 3182.
Roger, next equal.
The runway. While I have you, on departure today, the left turn heading 315.
Alright, we'll line up, runway 35, and on departure, left turn.
Mike Tango, exit runway 26, contact ground 1219.
Echo 3010, contact east ground 12535.
Calgary ground, Golf Kilo Mike Tango, clear on runway 26 for 6.
Golf Kilo Mike Tango, ground taxi Alpha to signature, and just a heads up, clearance delivery, let me know that your outbound flight plan has a problem with the routing there, so just give flight planning a call before you call for the clearance and they'll sort it out with you.
Airspan 12, tower check that, remain holding short, one more to land.
We'll hold short 35 left, Airspan 12.
Fire 601, exit Charlie 4, contact ground 12191. 2911.
Stay with me, report the right turn, wind 03011, clear takeoff from 35 left. Clear for takeoff, stay with you, report the turn, FedEx 141. Westjet 122, Charlie 4, exit clear to land 35 left. Land 35 left, Westjet 122.
Caribou 906 trainer, traffic's underway now, wind is 020 at 10, clear to land, runway 35 left.
Driver side, clear to land 35 left, Caribou 906 trainer. Contact departure 119.8.
Airspan 812, exit reverse Charlie 3, contact ground 1 December.
Reverse Charlie 3, ground 21 off,
All 43158, wind just 6 off, 5 left, Charlie 4, okay? Second bit. Up on 229 and 319. Roger 920 and contact departure 119er decimal 8 in that turn, wind 02013 knots with threshold. Clear for takeoff from 35 left.
1918 in the turn and clear for takeoff 35 left, Cartridge 920, good day.
Yeah. Airport 1 tower, proceed on runway 35 left threshold, crossing 26 and runway 29.
On runway 5 left, northwest drop between 26 and 29 and northwest.
Encore 3206, plan Charlie 6X and now wind 030 at 16.21 knots. Clear to land runway 35 left.
Okay, clear to land 35 left, plan Charlie 6.
Jazz 142, we need to hold short, 5 Charlie. Jazz 142, hold short. Holding short. There's sprint 826X, reverse Charlie 3, contact ground 121, this one off.
Hey, reverse Charlie 3, 21 off. Calgary Tower, Jazz 141, once again the visual, 35 left, 168 back.
Jazz 141, Calgary Tower, number 2, Bandit King here on a 3-mile final continue approach. Departing one in between, plan Charlie 4. Jazz 43, Calgary Tower, number 2, in traffic short, final plan Charlie 4, continue approach. Number 2, plan Charlie 4, Jazz 43.
Exit right and contact 129.
Tango Delta Bravo, Calgary Tower, line up runway 35 left at the threshold.
35 left, 600 on Bravo.
WestJet 1511, Calgary Tower, circle land runway 35 right, wind on. Morning Star 7067, number 1, runway 35 left, climb to yesterday. Encore 3280, Charlie 2 exit, wind 010 at 10. Clear to land runway 35 left.
Clear land 35 left and Charlie 2 exit, Encore 3280.
Roger. Departure now, please. 11908. Connect.
Departure 1980, and navigate to just 491
Exceed runway 29 Juliet, Chinook 77.
Jazz 78, line up, runway 35 right threshold.
35 right threshold, Jazz 78.
WestJet 676 Tower, contact Calgary departure now, 119.8, magical day, we'll see you.
JTA, have a good day.
WestJet 399 Tower, line up runway 35 left.
Boy, 35 left, WestJet 399.
3 Calgary Tower, the wind light and variable, altimeter 3002, just becoming number 1. There is traffic, a helicopter just crossing the south of the threshold of your runway. Be off the right side at all times once they're through, no conflict. And clear to land, runway 35 left.
Calgary Tower, target 1420 on the approach runway 35 left and going to 160 left.
Tick 1420 Calgary Tower, the wind light and variable, altimeter 3002, number 2 following a max short bound, departing in between, continue on the approach, and continue slowing to final approach speed.
We'll continue slowing to final approach speed, apron forward.
Roger. Can 225 Tower, line up runway 35 left, just be ready to go when the max is off. Can 225, affirmative, line up runway 35 left, just be ready to go when traffic's off. One Tower, thanks, see you. Would Charlie 1 reverse work for accurate for 1420 or somebody too close up? No, reverse Charlie 1 is fine.